Good day, everyone. How are you guys doing today? All right, so let me go straight into the video. In this video, I just want to explain how you can use the STH spike detector, a very powerful detector, spike catcher that is stressless. Okay, so first and foremost, I think I will just have to go into the installation. Um, okay, let me just take everything off. So I'll show you how it's been installed, and then I'll show you how you can use it. Or I think I'll just skip that part for those who purchase the indicator. So you can I'll do a separate video for those who happen to purchase the indicator. I'll do a separate video for those who get it on how to install it accurately so you can use it. So how they use the STH spike detector? Simple. All you do, wait for price to move away from normal trend. This is normal trend. This is spike trend. Normal trend, spike trend, normal trend, spike trend, normal trend, spike trend. And the dominant trend is selling because you can see it going down, right? From level dot, level 90, you can see it moving down. You can see dominant trend change from here to buy. And inside that buy, you have selling, selling, selling. You see? And inside this trend coming downwards, like this dominant trend here is selling, you have inside that trend you have buying, 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 and inside that same trend you have what? Shorter sell. The major dominant trend is selling, and inside that major trend you have shorter minor trend for selling. Understood? Very good. Let's move forward. Now, to use STH, all you have to do is wait for the normal trend to expire. How? Normal trend began here the moment it crossed this STH indicator here. Normal trend began to move from lower band to upper band. It is at this upper band you expect STH to start working. Do you understand me? Once price gets to above the band, wait for the breakthrough candle. That's all. You get that? Let's continue. Now, look at this. Look at the breakthrough candle here. Above the band is where you should expect the first spike that will be a breakthrough candle. Okay, now look at this breakthrough candle here for here. So this was where you enter your trade. Can you see now? You enter your trade at this particular point here, and then the market will draw you back for one or two candles for a few cents, not up to $1, and then it will start correcting itself. So this particular one here, after the two spikes, the market now crossed the STH and you close your trade. The moment it crosses the STH, you close your trade and wait for another breakthrough candle as long as it's still above the what? The upper band. So the breakthrough candle came again, which was this one, and you enter your trade here. And it began to spike in your direction, spiking, 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 spiking. You don't close until it crosses back again. Look at all this happening here and see spiking down. You can see still spiking down. So this is where you close your trade. This is where the market cross back to from the STH, become a normal trend again. Do you understand that? As simple as that. No long story. No going from north from east to west. No, very simple. You don't close the trade until it crosses back the STH, majorly from the low from the below the lower band, which is this region here. This region here, you can see all the crossing from the STH back into normal trend. So you can see, let's look for more examples and see. Look at this particular one here. After it went back again, it does a breakthrough candle here. You enter from here, it spiked down and went to cross, and you close. Another breakthrough candle came up. This way you would have entered and got one small spike. Your profit here will be very small, will not be much. So one more thing you also understand, the market condition you had yesterday may not or will not be the same market condition you will have today. Always remember that. Okay, that's trading for you. It's like you having a shop where you sell jewelries, earrings, gold, and all that. Now the sales you made yesterday may not be the same sales you will make today. Okay, you may not make any sale tomorrow. That is how trading is. It's not a must that you have to make $10 every day, even if you have a target of $10. If you're not able to make $10, don't force it. Wait for the market the next day. Treat trading like a business. Do you understand? Very good. So understand that. Okay, so this market condition here, Was not the same with this, was not the same with this. You understand me? So STH started here with a breakthrough candle, which you entered here. It drew you back a little and began to spike down, spike down, spike down. You can see this is where you have closed. Look at this one. This is the breakthrough candle. You enter from here. It drew you back with 3 candlesticks for 15 minutes and it spiked down again, went sideways and crossed. You close. Profit to be small here. Can you see now? It's not the same thing. Look at this one. This one was not here at the upper band. They didn't break above to start spiking. So you ignore this one. This one is a perfect one. Okay. Now look at this. Outside is spiked one, but it didn't break through the STH. It was this one here that broke through the STH, and you'd have entered from here, and the spiking will begin. You can see, begin. It crosses here, you close. On that breakthrough candle came up again, you entered, and you got a little spike again, and it crossed, and you close. Market conditions are not always the same. Let's look for more examples and see. You can see an uptrend here. Okay. The dominant trend here is up, and inside that up, you have small selling trend for STH to work. This is a breakthrough candle here. If you enter here, it just got you some small spike. It crossed and it closed. Look at it above again. Breakthrough candle for this one. You enter, it spiked down a little. It crossed here and you close. And then this is a breakthrough candle here. Very little spike you have there. Okay. So this is the breakthrough candle right here. You enter from here, drew you back a little and began to spike, went up a lane, just a small little. So the main trend you are waiting for is the dominant sell trend, which is at level 90. You understand me? So this is it here. You can see the dominant trend here. Even after there's a breakthrough candle here. If you had entered from here, it pulled you back. You'd have closed here and wait for another one. This is the breakthrough candle here. This one. Let me zoom. Let me see if I can zoom. Okay, let me see if I can zoom. You can zoom. Okay. That's the breakthrough candle right there. This one here. You enter from here, took you up a little, it didn't cross, and then it began to spike down in your direction. Went sideways again, didn't still cross, spiked down, went sideways, it crossed a little, you'd have closed from there and had a lot of profit from here to here. And then this one spiked, you'd have entered from here and it drew you back here, you close. Then a breakthrough candle came up here again, you enter from here and began to spike down more. It crossed and you close. You see that now? Wait for another opportunity again, which is this one here, the breakthrough candle. You enter from here to draw you back a little and still begin to what? To spike down. Crossed here, you close. Breakthrough candle came up, you enter from here, and then you began to spike down again. It's as simple as that. So you enjoy the spike more in dominant sell trend. Okay, enjoy the little sell in the dominant sell trend. That's STH for you. Very simple and smooth and easy to use. For crash 500, crash 300, let me get that for you. Okay, let me just get that for you. Let me get that for you. So this is crash 300. You can see. Okay, you can see how the market is moving sharp. So crash 300 is very effective, you know, in this market. So what's it called, the spike load upgraded version is also on this chart, but I just made it black because I don't want to start installing again. You can see it right here. You can see it. So I don't want to start installing. I made it black because my chart is black, so you don't have to see it. Let me explain this, okay, before I end this video. So you can see how STH is working on crash 300. You can see the moment you see the market moving far from your upper band, expect the breakthrough candle. Look at it going far. The breakthrough candle happen to come here and you enter. You got to spike down. The moment it crosses here, you close the trade. Remember, it's on 90, so the dominant sell trend. So you have from here again, if breakthrough candle came up here again, you enter, takes you back down, crosses here, and you close. So you can see the STH from above. Okay, just like that. Look at it. Look at it from above. From above here, this is the breakthrough candle here. From there, right here, breakthrough candle here, breakthrough candle here, breakthrough candle here, breakthrough candle here, and then look how it moves downward. So this is how STH works. Very effective. All right guys, see you in my next video. Have a wonderful time.